In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a template in Asana. If you're looking to streamline your project management process using Asana's powerful templates, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to edit a template in Asana, making it tailored to your specific needs. First, you need to open Asana in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the Asana homepage and logged into your account, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find the Projects tab, which is central to creating and managing your work within Asana. Right beside the Projects tab, you'll notice a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to starting a new project, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see several options pop up. Look for the New Project option and click on it. This will lead you to a new page where you have the freedom to either start a project from scratch or utilize one of Asana's pre-designed templates. For today's tutorial, we're focusing on using a template. Now, you'll be presented with a selection of templates. These templates are designed to cater to various project types, so take a moment to browse through and select the one that aligns best with your objectives. Once you've identified the ideal template, click on it to proceed. Next, you'll see a Use Template button. Click this button to begin customizing the template to fit your project requirements. This is where the magic happens, as you can now adjust the template to include specific tasks, deadlines, and team members that are relevant to your project. With the template adjusted to your needs, the final step is to click on Create Project. This action will solidify your customized template into an active project within Asana. You now have a fully editable project based on the template you selected. From here, you can continue to make any additional changes as your project evolves. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of editing a template in Asana. Whether you're organizing a small team project or managing a more extensive operation, these templates offer a fantastic starting point that can save you time and enhance productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your Asana experience even more efficient. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on project management tools. Happy organizing!